This is a song that has 3 parts. I'm going to teach each of you guys your part, and then we're going to sing them all together. They're all going to combine into one song. It's really cool. It's really, really cool. So, section 1. I can't do slides or really sliding. You're going to have the percussive part. It goes like this. I'm going to sing it, and then I'll have you key after me, okay? So it goes 1 bottle of pop, 2 bottle of pop, 3 bottle of pop, 4 bottle of pop, 5 bottle of pop, 6 bottle of pop, 7 bottle of pop. 1 bottle of pop, 2 bottle of pop, 3 bottle of pop, 4 bottle of pop, 5 bottle of pop, 6 bottle of pop, 7 bottle of pop. 1 bottle of pop, 2 bottle of pop, 3 bottle of pop, 4 bottle of pop, 5 bottle of pop, 6 bottle of pop, 7 bottle of pop. Okay, cool, you can stop. You guys got that? I need a little bit louder when we do it again. Okay, I want everybody singing because this is kind of the foundation, okay? Where's group 2 at? Where's group 2 at? Raise your hands. All right. Okay, here is your part. Okay, this is kind of like the harmony in the new group that you're gonna have the melody. Okay, so the harmony goes like this. It goes, don't put your muck in my trash can, my trash can, my trash can. Don't put your muck in my trash can's full. Don't put your muck in my trash can, my trash can, my trash can. Don't put your muck in my trash can's full. Don't put your muck in my trash can, my trash can, my trash can. Don't put your muck in my trash can's full. All right, cool. You guys got that? Give me a thumbs up. Feel good about it? Yeah, you got it? That's cool. All right, so you don't need to clap. You can clap if you want to, but I'm just going to do that to keep rhythm because I am really bad at keeping rhythm. All right, so group number 3. Your part's all right. Well, actually, hold on. I just want to make sure group 1. knows their part. Ready? 1 bottle pop, 2 bottle pop, 3 bottle pop, 4 bottle pop, 5 bottle pop, 6 bottle pop, 7 bottle pop. All right, group 2. Let's try your one again. Don't put your muck in my trash can, my trash can, my trash can. Don't put your muck in my trash can's full. All right, group 3. Here we go. A little pressure. So it goes. Yours goes, fish and chips and vinegar, vinegar, vinegar. Fish and chips and vinegar, pepper, pepper, pepper pie. Fish and chips and vinegar, vinegar, vinegar. Fish and chips and vinegar, pepper, pepper, pepper pie. Fish and chips and vinegar, vinegar, vinegar. Fish and chips and vinegar, pepper, pepper, pepper pie. All right, I need you to hold on to that. Okay, you guys got to practice just now. You guys got to practice just now. You guys need to hold on to that. All right. Okay, section 3. We're all working as a team here, guys. We're all working. we got to break down these barriers that divide us, guys. We got to all work together. All right. So I'm going to start with you guys. When I motion to you guys to start, you guys will start. When I motion you guys to start, you'll start, and then I'll just cut you each out one at a time. Make sense to everybody? Yes. All right. Here we go.
Will you put them in the put them on the desk yeah. That's where they were from.
Chips and vinegar, vinegar, vinegar. Fish and chips and vinegar, pepper, pepper, pepper pie.